This is wig number 151. This is a 22-inch full lace body wig unit, and I just wanted to show you guys a closer look of the hairline right here. So this is what the standard hairline looks like. We do still have the lace here, which we can cut off for you whether you order online or in store. All of our units do have baby hair all the way around the entire perimeter, including the back of the unit. So you see there's this light baby hair here, and you can just gel it down or do whatever you like with it. That's standard on all of our units, and you can definitely get a natural part anywhere in this unit here. So this is a 22-inch full lace unit, and to train the part, you can do it while the unit is wet or with some water. So this is our beautiful hairline here. We'll do one more part. As you can see, you can part this wig anywhere you want, including in the back, because it's a full lace unit, giving you a lot of style and versatility. Shop with us today online or in store. Our website is magichaircompany.com. If you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email, and we will gladly assist you. Magic Hair Company.